Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we are going to walk from Mubor beach till Betul. Yes, it is, as you can see, quite nice. This walk usually takes 15 to 20 minutes on a casual pace, and I'm going to show you all how it looks right now. What's the scenery? Are there any shacks open? Are there any tourists around? And other interesting things. So anyways, if you are new here, do subscribe and let's get on with the video. Alright, so as you can see, the view is gorgeous. The view is absolutely gorgeous. Right now it's 4:30 in the evening. As you can see, not a lot of tourists and not a lot of shacks. It is quite windy today, but luckily there are no clouds. There are absolutely no clouds. As you can see, there's absolutely no clouds. None. So that's good for me. We've got one watchtower. This is for this resort, which I again forgot the name of, but I will put them in the description as I always do. This is Betul. This is where the river Sal, which lots of the fish trawlers are positioned, and I settled at the fishing jetty is located. So that's where all the boats and the trawlers go to catch some fish. At this place there's almost no shacks, and if y'all are wondering what are these tracks from, so there's a bunch of cattle. You just walk on the beach. You can see them actually, they're right there. Also, if you are new here, the red flag means you cannot go out for a swim, because there's a high chance that the sea will swallow you. So there, as you can see, it says danger, strong current, no swim zone, because they are rip currents. So better not. Usually it is not advised, and nobody's going to actually allow you unless you go in like some remote place and try to swim. But it's actually a bad idea, because the sea is rough during the monsoons, and this is the monsoons actually. So yeah. As you can see, the visibility is not that bad. Could be better, of course, but not that bad. And actually, if you all want to visit this park without actually taking a walk from Mubor, you just have to take a left from I forgot the name of the hotel. This hotel is a small road which goes, and it connects over here and it stops over there. There is a small path, but then again, like, it's a small road. It's only like one car can pass. So unless you are on a scooter, then yes, feel free to come. There's a small path, a small gate which you can just walk directly to here without wasting time walking on the beach. But then if you have a car, please do not go there and park, because there are of course people living over here. It's not just completely barren wasteland where peacocks are roaming. No, there are actually people living over here, and there's a river. So don't park your car there and interfere with the locals. Actually, you should never do that. Any place you visit, you're just a tourist over there. Goa is the #1 place of tourism in India, but that doesn't mean you have to be rude. And especially littering. Don't litter. Whatever the place I am showing you all, there's almost always some litter. If you are coming over here to these places, for the love of God, whatever God you may love, please do not litter, okay? Just take the garbage with you and find a trash can. I know the trash cans are, for some weird reason, just positioned in some very odd places, but then please do not litter. So as you can see in the distance, wait, let me zoom to show you all. That's Betul Lighthouse, right there. You can get to that place, and the view is actually nice. So yeah, anyways, continuing on. And again, as I've said in my previous video, if you're coming to this part of the beach, it is deserted. I mean, during the day it's deserted, and it's very deserted. Absolutely no one comes over here unless a bunch of people who want to come and drink, they come over here. So unless you are a strong person, or you just don't fear anything in life, do not come over here at night, because as you can see, there's absolutely no lights anywhere. There's absolutely no buildings whatsoever. There are no people, there are no houses. So if anything happens, nobody will actually hear you scream. some trees have been uprooted, and the beach has been eroded quite a bit. So I guess this is usually to where the trees are, but this all has been eroded, so the trees are fallen. This is actually a very nice beach to come. If you're alone, if you're with your significant other, or you are with your family, it's a very nice place to come and just walk. But of course, this beach would have been nice if there were just like benches on this side, you know. It'd be so nice. Just, I've had this idea and thought for a long time. Why don't people just put benches on beaches? It's so nice. I'm not saying like actually put them on the beach. I mean like put them a bit where, you know, they're less likely to be, you know, swept. Why not? It would be such a nice place to sit in the evening. And in all of Goa, there's only one beach which has done that, and that's Kerim Beach. Sorry, I don't know. I probably butchered the pronunciation. It's the most top, not Goa. Basically, the first beach that you can access when you're entering the state. And that beach is, yeah, there's not much beach to it, you know. There's not much sand to it, but they have done it so nice. There's a nice walkway where people can walk. There are benches. There are nice trees. The trees which I like are there. So yeah, it's so nice. So yeah, the beach is massive, and I don't know if y'all can see from this distance, but there are people on that side, and that's a very common fishing spot. If you're a fisherman and you know you like to travel with your rods, there you go, a famous place for fishermen. So if you come over here with your rods, no one's gonna be, you know, too upset about you putting their rods in their view. To my knowledge, how many years I've been here, there's nothing over here. Never was a shack or anything. So yeah, as you can see, the view is getting a bit nicer and nicer. You can see the mountains in the distance. They look massive. I mean, compared to, if you're living in Goa, these mountains are massive. But I don't know if actually you can get on top of those. I think so. I think one has like a very steep road. I'm not sure. I think I have to check it. Actually, I would actually want to film a video of going up a mountain, because I'm pretty sure the view is going to be amazing. I'm not gonna go there, you know, and take a bit of a turn. I'm gonna go up here and on top of the rocks if I can, to show you all a better view of the place. Also, once upon a time, where there's a small gate, small path come from the main road. As you can see, there are actually people. Can I show you? Yeah. You see, there are people. So that's where the small path leads. Before that, there was actually tire tracks. So there have been cars and trucks which, as you can see, have dumped a lot of garbage here. But I don't know when that path, that little road was blocked for unknown reasons. I guess basically, as you can see, you see that? That's where you could get your car here. But I guess there was a bit of problem of people coming late at night, drinking and causing a nuisance, because basically there's absolutely no one at night over here, and there's no light, so anything can happen. So that's why they have made it a bit difficult for them. Okay, oh, I should not do that. There are actually people there. Oh no, my plan has been busted. Alright, scratch that. Edit it out. What is that? Huh? Bunch of rocks. So this thing, which looks like an oil tanker. This thing's actually part. That's a booth which goes on top of a trawler. Basically, I don't know what's the name of it. The control thing. So yeah, that's how it is. Wait, can I? Oh yeah, I can. It's water over here. How is the water not going? So yeah, you see that? There's the insides. It's been tossed out here. So we have reached Betul. There you go. That's the River Sal. That, as you can see, lots and lots of fish trawls are here. So yeah, we have reached. The view is absolutely fantastic. Do not go over here. The current is actually very strong. So do not try to attempt to swim. So yeah, there you go. That's the River Sal. That's where all the fishing trawlers unload early in the morning or in the night. So anyways, we have reached our destination. It only took 22 minutes and a lot of walking. So anyways, thank you all for watching. If anyone has stayed up till now, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, as I upload videos every Sunday. So yeah, thank you for watching.